Welcome to Sona's classroom. I hope everybody is staying at home during this pandemic. Please stay at home and be safe. Okay, this is the class number 3 of nouns. In our first class, we discussed what are nouns. Nouns are people, name, place, animal, thing. These are nouns. The things that we can sense with our five senses. But today we'll be doing abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are things that we cannot sense with our five senses. They are feelings. Feelings that you can only feel, but you cannot see, you cannot touch, you cannot hear, you cannot smell, or you cannot taste them. A few examples of abstract nouns are poverty, freedom, kindness, bravery, love. These are affections. You feel this. You cannot portray, you cannot show how it is done. It's just there. It's a feeling. Feeling how you feel anger, you feel hatred, you feel pride, you feel loyalty to somebody, to your friends, you feel peace, you feel courage when you are about to do something new, something good, you feel courageous, you feel trustworthy towards your parents, towards your friends, your childhood. That is also felt. Sickness, honesty, these are the feelings that can be felt but not seen, or they cannot be felt with our five senses. These are abstract nouns. I hope I'm able to convey what I have explained today, abstract nouns. If there are any queries, please contact me at sahunasclassroom@gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Goodbye. See you next time.